resistance circuit. If we connect a resistance R to an alternating current source, then voltage across this resistance varies like this. This is graph between voltage, and voltage means potential difference across this resistance, and time. With time, voltage across this resistance varies according to this formula: V is equal to V naught sin omega t, where omega is angular frequency of alternating current. If we connect a resistance to a cell, then direct current flows through this resistance and direction of current is not changing. By Ohm's law, we know that current I is equal to V upon R. So current I is proportional to potential difference across this resistance. Now if this resistance is connected to an alternating current source, then V is equal to V naught sin omega t and I is equal to Y naught sin omega t. So graph between V and omega t is known as phase angle. We know that in case of alternating current, in alternating current generator, a coil rotates inside the magnetic field, and so orientation of this coil is different at different time. So angle between area vector A of the coil and magnetic field B changes with time. If angular frequency is omega and time is t, then this angle is given by omega into t, because we know that angular velocity or angular frequency omega is equal to angle upon time. If in time t coil rotates through angle theta, then omega is equal to theta upon t, or theta is equal to omega into t. So for different angle, V varies with omega t like this. Now current also varies with omega t, because V is proportional, I is proportional to V is proportional to Y. So as see in this formula, V is proportional to I by Ohm's law. So V is equal to IR, this is Ohm's law. Therefore I is equal to V upon R. So when V is maximum, I is maximum. When V is 0, I is 0. So we say that here voltage and current are in same phase. What is the phase of voltage? That is the phase of current also. And this phase angle is measured by this angle theta, which is equal to omega t. So when an alternating current source is connected to a resistance, then phase difference between voltage and current is 0. We can represent this phase of AC current and voltage by rotating vector known as phasors. Voltage and current, they are scalar quantities, they are not vector. But if we represent magnitude of this vector by an arrow, this voltage by an arrow, जो वोल्टेज का मैग्नीट्यूड है, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, उसको अगर हम एक एरो से रिप्रेजेंट करें, और जिस फ्रिक्वेंसी से अल्टरनेटिंग करंट जनरेटर के अंदर कॉइल रोटेट कर रही है, विथ सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी वी रोटेट दिस वेक्टर. आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग दैट वोल्टेज एंड करंट आर स्केलर क्वांटिटीज. लेकिन इन वोल्टेज और करंट की डिफरेंट टाइम पे वैल्यू को अगर हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें कि हमने वोल्टेज का जो मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड है, पीक वैल्यू वोल्टेज की है, उसके लिए हमने एक वेक्टर फॉर्म किया, और इस वेक्टर को ओरिजिन, इसकी टेल को हमने ओरिजिन में रखा और उसी फ्रिक्वेंसी से रोटेट कर रहे हैं जिस फ्रिक्वेंसी से कॉइल रोटेट कर रही है. सो दैट वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट मीन्स प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ दिस V on y axis at any instant gives value of voltage at that time. Then this is known as phasor or phasor vector. So phasor is a vector which rotates about origin with angular frequency omega. Now omega t means angle varies from 0 degree to 2 pi radian for one complete rotation. So this is graph between V and omega t and I and omega t, and at different angles. Suppose at this angle omega t1, this is time t1, orientation of V and I are like this with the x-axis. Now its projection on y-axis will be equal to V naught sin omega t, and for I it is equal to y naught sin omega t. So V naught sin omega t and I naught sin omega t are instantaneous values of voltage and current at that time. When resistance is connected to an alternating current source, then since V and I are in same phase, so phase difference between V and I is 0 here. So this is analysis of R circuit, means when resistance connected to an alternating current source. This is graph for V and T and I and T. This is phasor diagram. V and I are in same phase, and these are the equations for instantaneous value of voltage, EMF and current. Thanks. Have a nice day.